Hey everyone, this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to give you this updated news report on Treasure Studios art. I know it's not Halloween yet, but as diamond painters and crafters, we have to prepare for Christmas. In fact, if we haven't already selected our Christmas painting by now, we need to get on the stick. And so this weekend, Rachel and Peter over at Treasure Studios Art released, yes, they released some of their Christmas paintings. They are amazing, and I want you to run over and check them out. I have a discount code DPGen15, gives you 15% off, and I have an exciting announcement at the end of this video, so please hang around. I do want to show you over here, yes, that you have some wonderful mystique arts. You also have some Marjorie Sarnots. And did you know John Poppleton actually has some as well? Isn't that amazing? And then we've all been drooling over Lizzie Falcon's upcoming Christmas. I'll put a couple right here for you. Okay, but make sure to stick around to the end because I have an announcement for you. Okay, let's dive a little bit deeper into what is this announcement and why am I jumping on here? Well, I do want to let you know that Treasure Studios Art, like I said in the opening, has released some of their Christmas paintings. I'm going to be putting a couple just rotating here as we talk. Please, there's something for everybody. There's some religious paintings, some Jesus paintings, there's Lucy Falcon paintings, there's John Poppleton, and I think, is it Howard Robinson. Anytime there's a Roberts, because my last name is Roberts, I get a little crazy. So yes, Howard Robinson has some wonderful selfie paintings for us. There's Jolly Santas. You guys, it is amazing the selection that is out there on Treasure Studios Art. They also have, do you guys love those Christmas cards? I have a couple that I'm going to be sending out this year to introduce people into diamond painting and to give them just a little personal touch that not only did they make the family Christmas list, but they get a diamond painting as well with their Christmas cards. They have some ornaments too. You have to check them out. It is fantastic. So what is the announcement? The announcement is I am going to do a giveaway. Yes, a giveaway. Somebody is going to receive a $25 gift card from me. Okay, and what you have to do is if you order a Treasure Studios art, it can be anything on their website. If you order it between now, October, I think it's 18th? No, 19th. October 19th is the start date through when I receive mine that I am purchasing tonight. So I believe it's going to be about a month, maybe so about 4 weeks. Comment down below with your confirmation code. What I'm going to do then is your confirmation code will not give anything away, okay? It's a confirmation code. Nobody's going to know what to do with it. You have to confirm your address, different things like that if you're calling in. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your confirmation number down below. If you used my code DPGen15, only if you used it, it will show up on my end and the two confirmation codes will match and you will be put into a drawing for a $25 gift card, okay? Only if you purchased it from my code. Last time I did this, some people sent because they used other people's codes or used reward points. That's not going to work. You need to use my code DPGen15, and then in the comments down below, you need to give me your confirmation number, okay? If you do not want to do it in the comments down below, you may email me, not Facebook message, not Instagram. You need to email me. I will only take email because things are getting lost. So email me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com with your first and last name and your confirmation code. So if you do not feel comfortable making it public down below, I will take it either in the comments or through an email. Okay, so you have about a month to do it. Let's go through, I'll put the exact date up here because I don't have a calendar in front of me, but it'll be about 4 weeks. So between now, October 19th, through whatever date I put here, which will be approximately 4 weeks before Thanksgiving, you can enter in for a $25 gift card. I will then select in my unboxing video of the Christmas painting I have selected. I will select the winner, okay? Also, FYI, if you win one of my contests, you need to pay attention because I'm not going to hunt you down. After a week, if you haven't contacted me, then I move on to the next person and do a drawing. So if you really want this $25 gift card, please pay attention to my unboxing video if you enter. So I'm super excited, you know, to show off the amazing Rachel and Peter Treasure Studios art collection. Please use DPGen10 for 15% off, and I cannot wait to see what you guys are getting. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all, bye-bye.